Welcome to the land of Slovita. This is Ashe, and we're gonna explore just doing a body part warm-up. So you don't have to watch me as much today as just listen and feel in your body for what feels right. There's no incorrect way that you can do this. Just listen to your body and listen to what it wants to do. I'm gonna take you on my little journey. We're gonna start with the neck and the head, and just let it move in a way that feels good to you. Being mindful of your breath and just moving your neck and your head. Let's go ahead and add our shoulders to the mix. So neck and shoulders and head, so everything gets to revolve. Cool. Let's go ahead and add our torso. So this is our upper body moving in its own fluidity. You like that? We love our bodies. Head, neck, shoulders, torso. Now we're gonna move in through the hips. In through the hips. So again, just move in a way that feels soothing and good to you. And go ahead and take it down to your legs. Down to your legs. Just move in a way that feels good. I like to get my legs going, flying. Hard to take the camera, but you get the point. We're moving everything. Now add your feet. How many different ways can you move your feet? I like to do this barefoot typically. When I'm out in nature right now, it just makes more sense. So at this point, we're like, everything is going. Everything, everything, everything. Hips, legs, knees, feet, fingers, wrists, you in your mouth. Ah, let it go. All right, so you can do the body part warm up anytime, anywhere, any pace, to any kind of music or no music. But this is such a good way to just get in and to release your feels, because we need to do that. So I hope you enjoyed the body part warm up. This is Ashe signing out from Colombia in the land of Slovita. Ashe, keep moving.